Oh, what shall we do with the drunken Santa? What shall we do with the drunken Santa? What shall we... Hyar! Ahoy there, mateys! I be Long John Silverbells, the only pirate elf in Santa's workshop, at your service. And now, right here on Fiverr.com, I be ready to make a custom video for ye scurvy dogs. A ship-to-ship greeting, a holiday wish, a business promotion, or something different. Starting at just $5 for the basics, I can deliver whatever message ye want. So long as it's not too salty. Santa runs a clean ship, he does. Now, it might cost you a bit more treasure for a more complete package, but nothing's free, matey. Check out all of me available upgrades and packages, or work with me on a custom order. And please contact me with any questions ye may have before placing an order. Now shove off before I write you down on the naughty list.